Hello all. Topic of this video session is formulation of transportation problem. Consider the table given in the figure. Let there be m origins and n destinations. Let the amount of supply at the ith origin is ai and let the demand at jth destination is bj. The cost of transporting 1 unit of an item from origin I to destination j is Cij and is known for all combinations ij. Quantity transported from origin I to destination j be xij. The objective is to determine the quantity xij to be transported over all routes ij so as to minimize the total transportation cost. The supply limits at the origins and the demand requirements at the destinations must be satisfied. So this transportation problem can be written in the tabular form as given in the figure. Now, transportation problem can be represented as linear programming model. Given the objective function is minimize z summation I is equal to 1 to m summation j is equal to 1 to n Cij xj. Subject to the constraints, summation j is equal to 1 to n xij is equal to ai for all I is equal to 1 to m, that is constraints on supply, and summation I is equal to 1 to m xij is equal to bj for all j is equal to 1 to n, that is demand constraints. Xij is greater than or equal to 0 for all ij, that is non-negativity constraint. There are some definitions with reference to transportation problem. The terms feasible solution, basic solution, basic feasible solution and optimum solution may be defined with reference to the transportation problem as follows. Feasible solution. Set of non-negative individual allocations which simultaneously removes deficiencies is called feasible solution. Basic feasible solution. A feasible solution to a m origin n destination problem is said to be basic if the number of positive allocations are m plus n minus 1, that is 1 less than the sum of rows and columns. Optimum solution. A feasible solution is said to be optimal if it minimizes the total transportation cost. Non-degenerate basic feasible solution. Any feasible solution to a transportation problem containing m origins and n destinations is said to be non-degenerate if it contains m plus n minus 1 occupied cells and each allocation is in independent positions. Degenerate basic feasible solution. If a basic feasible solution contains less than m plus n minus 1 non-negative allocations, it is said to be degenerate. Thank you.